Have you been searching for the perfect home for your next stage in life? Welcome to Mill Valley Ranches. Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm excited to introduce you to the new community that has it all. Affordability, first floor living, and a low maintenance lifestyle, all in a peaceful setting just minutes from Route 33. At Mill Valley Ranches, you'll have the comfort and ease of building with Ryan Homes. We'll be with you every step of the way. Your new home will have everything you need from day one, even your stainless steel appliances. Tucked away from the rest of your home, your new owner suite is a space just for you. A walk-in closet and attached bath give you a little extra luxury and privacy. These homes are designed for easy living for active adults with wider doors and hallways, walk-in showers, seats, and more. Lawn maintenance and snow removal are even included. Spend more time doing the things you love, like enjoying family or taking a walk on the community walking trails. At Mill Valley Ranches, enjoy a low-maintenance ranch floor plan that suits your lifestyle, all in a peaceful, rural, yet convenient location just north of Uptown. Enjoy a quick trip to the Uptown district to find unique decor for your new home at Plum Decor, or grab a quick bite to eat at the Half Pint. For recreation, hit the greens at Timberview or Marysville Golf Club just minutes away. I can't wait to show you this amazing community and lifestyle in person. Make an appointment to come in and see us today.